Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by cleaning and degreasing the nail so sculpted petals adhere. This eliminates lift later. Once done, apply a thin base coat, then one thin builder gel layer and cure. This creates a stable platform. Next, pick up a small bead of 3D acrylic or thick builder gel on your dotting tool. You want about the size of a grain of rice for mini petals. Make sure to work near the center of the nail so petals will radiate evenly. Then form your first petal with a light press and pull. You now build the petal structure. Place 3 to 5 outer beads around the center, pressing and pulling each bead outward to create a petal shape. Smoothing the edge with a clean brush dampened in monomer or gel slip prevents ridges. Once the outer ring is set, layer smaller beads toward the center to create depth. This mimics natural bloom. Make sure to cure thin builder gel layers briefly between steps so shapes hold but remain workable. Use a toothpick for veins and tiny texture lines to enhance realism. You finish by encapsulating the sculpture with a thin, even layer of clear builder gel and cure fully. This locks petals in place and prevents snagging. Once cured, you may file and buff to refine silhouette. Be conservative to preserve 3D height, then add your chosen top coat for shine or a matte seal. If a bubble, slump, or lift appears, stop. Rehydrate the affected bead area with monomer or gel slip. Gently reshape and rebuild that small section. Then recure to restore structure and adhesion.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.